Ever feel like your contact list is a cluttered mess? Archiving is your secret weapon. It keeps your database clean without losing valuable data. Imagine accessing old contacts without the chaos. Sounds like magic, right? Archive contacts are unsubscribed from communications but remain accessible to you. It's like putting them in a digital vault. You can retrieve them anytime, ensuring your CRM stays organized and efficient. Wondering which contacts to archive? Start with those missing key details like phone numbers and emails. Use filters to spot these gaps easily. It's a quick way to tidy up your CRM. Mass archiving is your friend. Group contacts with invalid information and archive them in one go. This efficient method saves time and keeps your database pristine. What's the difference between archiving and deleting? Archiving hides contacts but keeps them accessible, while deleting removes them entirely. For real estate pros, archiving is often the smarter choice. However, there are times when deleting is necessary. If a contact is completely irrelevant or invalid, or if you are missing all methods of communication, removing them can be beneficial. Choose wisely based on your CRM needs. Let's recap. Archiving keeps your CRM clean and efficient, retaining access to important data. It's a strategic move that enhances your contact management process. Please scroll down to explore the step-by-step guide below. Ready to streamline your CRM? Start archiving today. By doing so, you'll maintain an organized database and ensure your contact management is top-notch. Let's make your CRM work smarter, not harder.